I'm here today to review this beautiful fairy string light set that comes here in with all the options that needed to attach them everywhere you want. Let's go ahead, unbox it and use it and show you how fantastic it is.
So it comes here in 12 sets, and as you can see here, they are absolutely stunning. They can change the whole look here of any decoration if you want to apply it as a decoration anywhere. So here is now with no light, and now once I apply it, as you can see, it's only one string that I'm using right now, and see how amazing it is. It's super powerful, absolutely stunning, and just one. I still have 11 more, and you can imagine how many decorations I can just go ahead and do around the whole house with it. Absolutely fantastic. I can show you now. It has a button. You can choose whatever mode you want it to be. I'm going to show you all the modes. As you can see, it's so festive. You can choose whatever mode you want and apply it, and you can add more in one place, or you can just spread it everywhere. I'm going to show you also here. I applied inside the cup just to show you how amazing it is as a decoration, or this is as a vase. I can use it as a vase, and you can just apply it anywhere and everywhere, and you can see how amazing the reflection of this beautiful strings are. They are so cute, absolutely very easy to apply, and you can hang it around anything. You can put it inside anything. As you can see, you can hang it around. As I put it over there, I just sprayed it over at the shelf, and look how it looks like as well. So one at the background here was different mode, and this one here in the front was another mode, to show you the difference, show you how fantastic it is, show you how it can actually change the mode into the house and add a lot of festive to your place. Absolutely fantastic. I definitely love it so much. I love to apply it everywhere around the house, and here is the difference with the light, without the light. As you can see, definitely recommend it for everyone, and thank you so much for watching.